Hi, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys some masks that I really like and some that I don't care for. So I have 4 masks that I don't care for, and I have 6 masks that I really like. First, they're not in any particular order. It's either going to be the ones I don't like or the ones that I like. Alright, so the first one I don't like is from Slay, the Banana Cream Deep Conditioner. So I had high hopes for this deep conditioner because this brand is all natural. I don't use only all natural products on my hair, but when I do find a brand that is all natural, I get excited. And also it's a black owned brand, but I did not care for this one. The smell okay, but the way it made my hair feel is what I didn't like. It felt like it was sitting on top of my hair. It didn't feel like it was penetrating my strands. But this one didn't do anything to my hair. It didn't moisturize. It didn't penetrate my hair. It didn't hydrate. It didn't do anything. So this one I did not like. Another one that I really thought I was going to like because I really like African Pride's products. African Pride Moisture Miracle, Moroccan Clay, and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Hair Activating Mask. This collection from African Pride Moisture Miracle, I loved almost everything in this line. So I was very surprised that I did not like this activating mask. Again, it didn't do anything to my hair. Felt like it didn't penetrate my hair. It didn't moisturize my hair. It didn't make it feel soft. And it had shea butter. So you would think shea butter will help to soften the hair. It says it's supposed to detox and soften, but it didn't do that to my hair. It did absolutely nothing. I felt like I didn't even deep condition my hair. But this is another one that I would say no to. Everything else in this collection I like except for this. Yeah, it's a no. The next one is from Sunny Isle, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. I really thought I was going to like this one because it has Jamaican Black Castor Oil. While Jamaican Black Castor Oil by itself from this brand, I actually really love. I moisturize my hair with that, my roots and then my ends. So I really love their Jamaican Black Castor Oil. But this mask felt like loose. It didn't feel like thick like I thought it would because of course, if you have used Jamaican Black Castor Oil, it's thick, it's heavy. This felt real runny. It felt like a rinse out conditioner. The last mask that I did not care for is from the Main Choice. The Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut 5-minute reviving mask. Even though this mask says it's only 5 minutes, I still would treat it like it's a 20 to 15 minute mask. I will put plastic cap on and set it under some heat. But besides this smelling pretty good, it smelled like lemonade. It smelled really good. It didn't do anything for my hair. It was great for detangling purposes, but again, it didn't do anything. It says in less than 5 minutes it's supposed to revive dull, lifeless curls, strengthens hair, and it didn't do that. It felt like a rinse out mask. It was really loose. They are my 4 masks that I did not like. So let's get into the mask that I really like, I really care for. The first one I'll tell you guys about is from Soapbox. So this is the Coconut Rejuvenating Deep Conditioner. So I am very heavy-handed when it comes to products, and this mask, if you can see how much I use this mask about 3 times, and I still have enough to use it maybe 2 more times. A little bit goes a long way. It smells amazing. It's very thick, it's rich, and when I rinsed the mask out, my hair was so bouncy, moisturized, and juicy. This is a great mask, and I'll leave the prices to each mask down below. My second mask that I really like is from True by Made Beautiful Damage Control Repairing Texture Defining Cream. Even though I don't have any damage, I still would grab a mask that says great for damage control, because if it's great for damage control, it should be great for healthy hair as well, right? Anyway, oh, I didn't even use this one yet. It's a brand new one. This mask smells amazing. It says it has mango, shea, rice water, and guava. It smells amazing, and it's really thick. That's what I like about it. And also it has honey in it, so if you know about honey in hair, honey is a humectant that helps to bring moisture to your hair, and this mask actually does it. I love this one. Next mask is from Shea Moisture. This one is the Manuka Honey Mafruka oil. I might have to cut that out. I don't know what the heck that say. Listen, don't get at me if I'm saying it wrong, okay? I'm trying. This is the Manuka Honey Farua Oil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask. I love this one. This is a oldie but goodie for me. I've been using Shea Moisture masks for years and I love them. Again, this product, this is a brand new one, but this product, it doesn't smell good, it doesn't smell bad, it doesn't smell like nothing, but the way it makes your hair feel is very, very thick. From what I can tell, if the mask is a thick consistency, more than likely I'm gonna like how it feels on my hair. But this is very thick, it hydrates and moisturizes. My hair feels nice and bouncy. After I rinse it out, I really, really love this mask. The honey and the oils and stuff in here works really great with my hair. I love the way this feels. I'm never disappointed when I use this mask. Love it, absolutely love it. Another oldie but goodie is from Curl's Daughter. This is Curl's Daughter Almond Milk Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask. And if you had anything from Curl's Daughter Almond Milk collection, it smells amazing. It almost smells edible, but of course it's not. But it smells so good. And it's a nice consistency. It's not too thick and it's not loose. I love the way it feels on my hair. I love the way how it moisturizes my hair. This is a mask. I said, oh, you could leave it in only for 5 to 10 minutes, but all my masks I keep it in for at least 15 to 20 minutes because I want the maximum penetration in my hair. This one also says it's great for extremely damaged hair, over processed hair. So even if your hair isn't natural, this is great for your hair. I really, really, really love it. It has almond milk, aloe vera butter or aloe butter, and shea oil. Great stuff. This is a new one that I just tried, but I really, really like it. Hairfinity. This is Hairfinity Strengthens Amino Mask. The only thing I don't like about this is the jar. It's so freaking small. It smells like hair product. It doesn't smell that great, but the way it feels on your hair. Great for detangling, great for moisture, just great all the way around. This is a little product, but it has power. Have you guys tried any of the masks I showed you today? If so, let me know if you like them. If you tried other masks that you really like that I didn't use or I didn't show today, leave it down in the comment section below so I can make sure to try them out. Again, I am on a healthy hair journey, so I've been using masks weekly or every other week, and I don't mind trying different products because I am a product junkie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!